What is up? I am back with another brand spanking new keyboard video to provide you with another 5 minutes of mild entertainment. Just a little bit of background info. This is going to be for my friend. This is a reward for him after winning a ~Řejměᵉ tournament, which I did fully record and narrate, but I kind of lost the footage, so that's too bad.
Since I don't have the actual clip, here's just a filler clip.
Why is he outside? Why are you outside?
What are you doing? Like, at this point, I don't even know what you're doing.
So this right here is the PCB. What I decided to go for was the DZ65 PCB. So what I decided to go for was the DZ65 Rgb PCB from KVD fans. Go check them out. I'm obviously not sponsored, but nice. Alright, so this right here is the case. Okay, so I missed it, but the plate was in with the PCB. Very nice. This is the case. Let me just take it out of the bag. This is the case right here. It is just a regular old plastic case. Got the USB connector right here. A set of feet and some screws. The stabilizers right here. And the switches. Now, shoot, you guys can see. But what we decided to go for him, because this is his first mechanical keyboard. Well, not his first mechanical keyboard. His first custom. So, we got him some Hako Trues. Hopefully he likes it. If not, too bad.
Here's me band-aid modding the PCB. Lubing the stabilizers. Putting in the switches. So, wasn't recording, but all these switches are now in. Just need to put this PCB in the case and put on the keycaps. Might do a little bit of stuff from there, but pretty much we're almost done. But first, we have to test each switch. And now for the all-important keycap time. I didn't really go over it, but the keycap set is just another blank one from Max Keys, just like mine, except the modifiers are red instead of black. And also, since I'm so nice, I decided to give him a holy panda for his spacebar. B-test. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. overall, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Here's my friend typing on it.
Don't worry.
Typing my password. So if you know the keyboard, you know what I'm typing in. Here's my password.